Hello, everyone. What is the estimated average cleaner salary in Greece? The average annual gross salary is $14,300, or roughly $1,192 per month. After tax, the average net salary is $11,869, or about $989 each month. In Athens, the average gross salary is higher at $16,016, roughly $1,335 per month. The net salary there is $13,293, or about $1,108 monthly. Experience, better qualifications, and work in hotels or hospitals can lead to higher pay. Night shifts and weekend work may also increase earnings. Entry-level cleaners usually earn less than experienced cleaners. Please like the video and leave your salary in the comments. Thank you for watching.